Hello, paisanos, and welcome to the Ronald Ravioli cooking show. I'm Ronald Ravioli, and this is my great assistant whose existence violates the space, messes with space and time. Eccolo! Classic Eccolo. And anyways, today we are going to be making a big, nice, juicy steak. The Ronald Ravioli way. Isn't that nice, Eccolo?
Yes.
Yes. Good feelings all around now. Yeah. Alright, you sit here, child. Alright, so now for the first step, you need to beat up the meat. Any tool will work fine. My favorite is this. And that looks like perfect meat. Properly beaten and all, right, Eccolo? That's exactly what I was about to say. We really think alike. Now for the flavor. Spices and stuff like that are for babies. Babies. Real chefs use this for flavor. Yummy. That's enough of the flavor spray. Yes! The meat is almost finished. Now to cook the meat, you don't need any of the silly things like stove tops and stuff like that. Only bozo chefs use those. All you need is one of these, a metal bowl. This adds the flavor. The plate will add extra flavor from the microwave's flavor beams. Now just stick it in the microwave. Oh my, something's come up. A phone call. Eccolo, do you mind watching the microwave once I turn it on?
Yahoo!
Thank you for your cooperation, Eccolo. Thank you again for watching the food for me, Eccolo. Now, as you can see, the meat is properly cooked. If you've successfully followed these instructions, you have now learned to cook the Ronald Ravioli way. I'll see you next week for a lesson on cooking spaghetti. Say bye-bye, Eccolo.
痛いな